Tit for tat, the camel and the jackal. Once upon a time, in a vast desert near a flowing river lived a gentle camel. He was slow but wise and loved to help others. Nearby lived a clever but cunning jackal who always looked for ways to trick others. One scorching day, the jackal approached the camel. "Friend camel," he said sweetly, "I know a field across the river filled with juicy sugar cane. Come with me, and we shall feast together." The camel, though hesitant, agreed. The two crossed the river swimming carefully, since camels could float, but jackals had to cling to the camel's hump. They reached the field and began eating. The camel quietly munched on the sugar cane, grateful for the treat. But the jackal, after eating his fill, suddenly began howling loudly. "Why are you howling?" the camel whispered, alarmed. "The farmers will hear and catch us." "It's my habit to sing after a good meal," the jackal smirked, continuing to howl. As expected, the farmers came running with sticks. The jackal dashed into the bushes and escaped, but the poor camel was too slow. The farmers beat him and drove him away. Bruised and hurt, the camel met the jackal at the riverbank. "You tricked me," the camel groaned. The jackal shrugged. "I told you, I always sing after eating." The camel said nothing but helped the jackal climb onto his back. They began crossing the river. Midway through the river, the camel suddenly started splashing and rolling in the water. "What are you doing?" the jackal cried out in fear. "I'll drown." "It's my habit to bathe after a good beating," the camel replied calmly as he rolled again. The jackal screamed and clung desperately. Eventually, the camel reached the shore and shook the jackal off his back. "Now we are even," said the camel, walking away. From that day on, the jackal never dared to trick the camel again. Moral: tit for tat, what goes around comes around.